Good morning, guys. It's Chris below with a new video. Well, this video is about we're at a car show, car meet. You guys can see all the beefed up trucks. This is not just an ordinary car show, you know. It's fundraising for to raise toys for less privileged children here in the U.S. So I'll show you guys around. Show you guys all the cars that's around here para makita nyo naman.
Hey, what's up, guys? D here. I just want to let you guys know that we're still pumping this event. October 25th, we are going to be over here at the Rides and Coffee in Detail Garage Murrieta. We're going to start over at Tint Man. I'm going to make our way down here. So how it's going to work is you guys are going to come over here, pick up a ornament. So for this one is Christian. And Christian, God bless his soul, he wants a Barnes & Noble's gift card. Don't ask me why, because I'd be asking for PlayStation stuff. But anyways, they want a Barnes & Noble gift card. You guys are going to pick this ornament up here. You're going to go out on your own. You're going to purchase that gift card. And then day of the cruise, which is October 25th, you're going to meet us down at Tint Man. We're going to have a cool car cruise going on over there. We're going to have lights and cameras. We're going to have all sorts of stuff. Tyler, he's going to be out there. He's going to be doing professional photography. And we're going to drop off all the toys over there. And then we're going to head over to the Cars and Coffee over in Murrieta. Detail Garage. They're going to hook it up, man. They're going to have this whole lot filled of nothing but awesomeness. And the families are actually going to be out here too to see all the nice cars and rides and everything that's going on out there. So it's going to be an awesome day. It's all about charity, and I just hope that you guys can make it out and just make some kid's life happy. So again, we're over here at the Detail Garage. We have some of the ornaments here, and then we'll have some at Tint Man as well. If you guys can't make it down here because you live out of town or whatever, and you still want to, do this, let me know. I'll come over and I'll pick up an ornament for you, and I'll dedicate that one to you, and then we'll hook it up that way. All right. Thank you guys so much. Thanks to Detail Garage and thanks to Tint Man. Later.
All right, guys. Here's D. He's the one that organized this event, and I'll let him speak about what he started right here.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name's D. I have my own nonprofit. It's called Raised Up. What I do is I go out in the community and work with special needs children, displaced children, and veterans. And this is an organization that is close to my heart. They're called Treasure Box Angels, and they're loud, by the way. But no, they're called Treasure Box Angels, and they give back to just kids in the community that are sick and or they have some special injuries that need to be worked with.
All right.
So Treasure Box Angels, we're working with them today to get them gifts for their holiday party.
All right, thank you. Thank you for doing this, man.
My pleasure, man.
All
My pleasure.
I'll talk to you.
Yeah, take care, bud. Thank you.
Kind of like the event stuff we like to support because it helps out the community and it brings unity to everybody. The car community. It's not just it's not inclusive to one particular cars or brand. Everybody's in here having a good time. You guys can see.
Oh, are you a ghost or what the?
Where's your right here?
Huh? Yeah.
There you go. Oh, the Camaro Challenger. There's Tyson right here. I don't know where Tyson is. Estimated 300 cars ang nandito. So it's for a good cause. So we support them, because it's for a good cause. Napakaraming sasakyan ngayon dito. Hey, stranger.
Chris! Hey,
What's going on?
How's it going, man?
All right. Like a pirate.
That's the only one I found. Hi! How are you? I miss you.
Let's get Rihanna in the video. What's up?
How are you?
Good.
Good to see you. Hey, Ron.
How you doing?
How you doing? Yeah?
You see me go coming out of the black pants as a boss. I wonder where you get that naman.
How you doing, man? All right.
Long time no see, brother.
I know. It's been a while.
Yeah. Things good? Yeah.
It's Nick. It looks different. I saw your car like by Murrieta. Yeah, is it by Murrieta? By Spencer's Crossing. Oh, really? Yeah. Nick. That's his car right. Ito yung mga na-donate ng mga gifts para sa mga bata.
Oh my god, I know. Just say yes, I guess. No, because there's like people that I
ZL1 Camaro, Transformers. Here's the man right here. What's going on?
guy?
Transformers right there.
Press the wrong button, something's gonna shoot at it.
Thank you guys.
Alright, good. Smoke starts coming out of it.
Give up numbers, we gotta go. I literally was right up like quick.
All right, I think I've had enough, and people still recognize me as the guy with a purple and gold Challenger. So I don't have that anymore, but it's good to go to car events sometimes and see some old familiar faces, and it's like a reunion of such. And we're out of here. This is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys on our next vlog. Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit the like and subscribe, and hit that notifications button so you can be updated the next time we have a vlog. Thank you.